Hey guys, it's me! I'm back! Today I'm going to show you guys how I do my makeup for Frisk, for the Undertale Let's Play, yay! So, to start off, I'm going to put on my wig. Wigs are usually easier for me to put on when my hair is wet, because I have medium to long hair. Start off with the kind of obnoxious and weird hairnet thing, usually when you buy a wig that'll come with it. I kind of just push my hair back, put the hairnet over my head, super stretchy hairnet, put it over my head, and on the tight elastic side, I kind of wrap that along my hairline from the back of my hair, also to the top, and just pull it over and pull my hair up. So even if you have super long hair, this is a pretty easy method of just keeping all of your hair trapped. You'll occasionally get the few flyaways and I just tuck them. Just adjust it to wherever is most comfortable for you. So to start off, I'm going to use BB cream. It's just a foundation by Maybelline. I put on like 1 to 2 coats of it, or however much I need. I go kind of light with this stuff. It's not bad, it's pretty good. It comes in a whole bunch of different shades, naturally, as most foundations do. Put a little dab on your finger. So I'm just gonna take this and apply it all over my skin. Alright, and there you have it for the foundation. Just spread it around your face evenly. Make sure it's a color that matches your skin tone or is a little lighter. I think it's okay to go, oops, it's okay to go a little lighter, but never darker. Up next is eyeliner. This is an eye pencil that I had picked up from Sally's Beauty. The reason why I decided to use the white is because I heard that putting on white eyeliner gives your eyes a more youthful look and makes them almost appear bigger. A lot of cosplayers like to use this when they're cosplaying as younger characters. So I take the eyeliner pencil and apply it directly onto my wet line. For some of you who don't put on makeup regularly, this can be a little challenging because you could accidentally poke your eye or irritate the eye if you're not used to it. So you can definitely go around your eye. I'm used to doing my wet line, so it wasn't that bad. But even you can tell I'm like tearing up a little bit. Next up is a amazing mascara from Too Faced. I absolutely love this company. They have the best eyeliners and eyeshadows. The mascara is called Better Than Sex. I know, weird name, really weird name, but this mascara is amazing. So I just use this mascara to make my lashes a little bit more dramatic and to bring more attention to my eyes. Alright, so my eyes are pretty much done. Again, this is Too Faced, Better Than Sex mascara. It's amazing. I love it. I think everyone should have it. Alright, up next is blush. This blush is from e.l.f. They're a pretty nice company. They're also relatively cheap. You can find them at like Walmart or Target. So I used e.l.f. for my cheeks and for my nose. Youthful characters usually have very pink cheeks and a very pink nose. What makes me sad is that in this video you can't see it because my camera's not that fantastic, but hopefully I'll be able to upgrade soon. The brush that I used is one of my favorite brushes. I don't usually share brushes, but Collab is a great company. They put out great makeup, great brushes, and I love using their stuff. So I just applied a few layers of blush on my nose, the tip of my nose, and on my cheeks, just to help my face look more youthful. No, don't sneeze. Okay, I'm good. Up next, eyebrows. This is just a cheap brow kit that my auntie had sent me from Italy. It's cute. It's not really a name brand, so I don't even know what to call it. I usually lean towards the darker shades. This is just a little brush that I had picked up from Walmart. You can find brush kits in Walmart or Target for relatively cheap. I think this set cost me only like $15. And you can see there's a huge difference between my eyebrow when it's not filled versus when it is filled. And I have pretty thick eyebrows, but I'm adding just a little bit of color to not only lighten my eyebrows, but to fill them a little more, give them a dramatic look. And this color, I think, even though it doesn't match my eyebrows per se, it matches the wig color a little better. Something I noticed after the fact was that my eyebrows are terribly crooked, or at least the way I had put on the brow powder made my eyes look really crooked. I don't know why, but one of my eyebrows seems to have a higher arch than the other. The next time I get them done, I'm just gonna have to ask the ladies to correct it because I'm not too sure how to do it myself, unfortunately. Yeah, look at that. I'm not doing that on purpose. The arch is literally different. Why are my eyebrows like this? So last but not least, just some Burt's Bees chapstick. It's a slightly tinted lip balm, so it's pink in color, another youthful color to just go with the cosplay. So now that the makeup is all done, the next step is the wig. I always like to brush out my wigs a little bit before I put them on. Wigs naturally will get tangled and they'll get messy. It's always good to use a wide tooth comb because you don't want to pull the hair out of the wig base. So just to get the little knots out. I put on my wigs upside down. I tilt my head forward, put them on, and then pull them all the way to the back. With wig caps, there's actually a little clip that you use to clip it in the back of your head. That way it helps it stay in place. So after the wig is clipped in place, you kind of just adjust the hairline. Don't I look beautiful? The most annoying part about wigs with bangs is, if you're not used to having bangs, the wig bangs will constantly get in your eyes. But yeah, now that the wig is all adjusted in place, I just quickly brush it out. This is my makeup tutorial for Frisk. If I make any adjustments or improvements, I'll be sure to let you guys know. But as of right now, I think this method suits me best for the cosplay. If you guys have any more questions, just be sure to ask me. And don't forget to like and subscribe and check out my Let's Plays. Thanks, guys! Okay. So I got my wig on and my shirt on, but I forgot one last important thing. Finishing powder! This is e.l.f.'s HD finishing powder. The finishing powder is important because it prevents your skin from looking really oily on camera, and it gives it a nice matte finish. A matte finish is basically a look that isn't shiny. So to prevent my face from looking shiny like it did in the part 1 video, I'm going to put on this. It's a 2-part compact case. You have the powder, you have a mirror, and you have a little spongy applicator. So I just put the applicator on the powder and just dab it along my face. Right now it looks a bit pale, but as I continue to blend it in more, it starts to become more translucent. Alright guys, thanks for watching this little mini tutorial. Please be sure to like and subscribe to my channel and check out my Undertale playlist. The first 2 videos are a bit meh, but the third one is coming out great. The audio, I fixed all the problems that I was having before, so it definitely should be better this time around. And I hope you guys can enjoy it, and I hope that I can continue to make improvements going forward with my videos. Thanks guys for all your support. See you around. Bye!